Hi everybody, we're going to talk about China. The members of the group are Catherine Roman, Gabriela Solano, Blanca Torres, Michelle Vasquez, and myself, Diana Chica. China, in recent decades, has established itself as one of the greatest powers at global level. China has managed to maintain a positive trade balance even during the crisis. In addition to increasing more and more purchasing power, this has been due to various factors such as foreign direct investment, a high percentage of saving, the Chinese economic model that involves the state imports raw materials and export finished products. China also maintains a monetary policy such as a large international reserves, and take the lead in a globalized economy. Low wages and high labor costs can make China a production center of lower cost for everyone, where import raw materials and export finished products, then the capital into and out of the country, allowing growth in economic product but not an excessive growth of capital.
China in Ecuador. China has been present in Ecuadorian economy through the participation of several projects and investment financials, both in the public files, private since 2007. It's an important destination of Ecuadorian oil. This represents 77% of the total exports. Ecuador has a debt with China of $8,395 million. This represents 8% of the gross domestic product. China has become a financial engine as the main creditor of over other countries and organizations.
Agreement between Ecuador and China. In February 2009, China and Ecuador signed 4 cooperation agreements with a value of $25 billion in an effort to both countries to strengthen ties and mutual trust. As a part of this agreement, China opened a credit line for increase the trade agricultural product and invest in the agricultural sector of the country. In September of 2012, China and Ecuador signed 7 agreements which will increase Ecuadorian export to China and attract investment from that country for strategic projects. As we see, compared to the balance of trade 2008 signed 2011. In 2009, we can see a little variations in the trade balance, but in 2010 and 2011, we see a decrease on the balance of trade. But in 2015, the balance of trade increased.
Exports from Ecuador to China with over the years have had a significant growth, as we see it reflect in 2009 with a value of 124 million, and the year in 2013 with a value of 568 million. Among the main products we export to this country, we have mainly crude petroleum oils. Subsequently, have fish meal with $61,000, shrimp with $42,000, the waste and scrap of copper by $40,000. We also export to that country bananas, wood, and other minerals. China is one of the market's biggest globally by the size of this economy and of its inhabitants. It is therefore imperative to exploit this market through new alliance and trade policy strategies. Based on this, there are some products where the Ecuador can enter this market, such as plastics, manufacturing of wood, aluminum, bottoms, leathers, skins, plant products, flowers, among the most important. Thank you.
Importation for Ecuador to China. Among the main products we import from China were the years in 2013. We had vehicles with motorbikes, generators, of power, digital and portable automatic data process, machines, phones, siren for buses and trams, motorcycle, audio equipment, TV equipment, a sheet of iron, among others.